Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving deep into the captivating world of Bohemian living room decor and tips to create a space that's both stylish and deeply personal. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Bohemian decor style. This style has exploded in popularity, and for good reason. It's a design philosophy that embraces individuality, comfort, and a touch of the exotic. If you're looking to create a space that's both stylish and deeply personal, then you've come to the right place. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Bohemian style? At its core, Bohemian decor is about expressing your unique personality through your living space. It's a celebration of art, culture, and a free-spirited lifestyle. Think of it as a curated collection of treasures gathered from travels, flea markets, and maybe even inherited from family. It's about mixing and matching patterns, textures, and colors in a way that feels organic and effortless, even if there's a lot of thought behind it. There's no strict rulebook, which is part of its charm. It's about creating a space that tells your story. It's a rejection of stark minimalism and a warm embrace of eclectic beauty. So why choose Bohemian? Well, the benefits are numerous. Firstly, it's incredibly versatile. You can adapt it to any size space, from a cozy apartment to a sprawling home. Secondly, it's a budget-friendly style. You can incorporate affordable finds from thrift stores and blend them with a few key investment pieces. Thirdly, and perhaps most importantly, it's incredibly comfortable and inviting. Bohemian living rooms are designed to be lived in, to be enjoyed. They are spaces where you can relax, unwind, and truly be yourself. It's a style that fosters creativity and self-expression. It's about creating a haven that reflects your soul. How do you decorate a good modern living room with Bohemian decor? Now, how do you actually achieve that perfect Bohemian vibe in a modern living room? The key is balance. You want to incorporate the eclectic spirit of Bohemianism without making the space feel cluttered or overwhelming. Start with a neutral base, think white or light gray walls. This will provide a clean canvas for your Bohemian accents. Then, layer in textures and patterns. A woven rug, a macrame wall hanging, and some pattern throw pillows are excellent starting points. Don't be afraid to mix and match different patterns, but try to stick to a consistent color palette to maintain a sense of harmony. Introduce natural elements like plants and wood furniture to add warmth and organic appeal. What are the best items for modern living room decor in Bohemian style? Let's talk about some specific items that can elevate your Bohemian living room. First, woven rugs. A large textured rug is essential for grounding the space and adding a touch of Bohemian flair. Think jute, wool, or even a vintage Persian rug. Second, macrame wall hangings. These intricate pieces add a beautiful textural element and a touch of handcrafted artistry. Third, pattern throw pillows. Mix and match different patterns, textures, and sizes to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Fourth, floor cushions. These are perfect for creating a relaxed and informal seating area. Fifth, plants. Bring the outdoors in with a variety of plants. Think leafy greens, succulents, and even a fiddle leaf fig. Sixth, tapestries. These can add a vibrant pop of color and pattern to your walls. Seventh, vintage furniture. Look for unique and characterful pieces at flea markets or antique stores. Eighth, string lights. Create a warm and inviting ambience with string lights. Ninth, mirrors. Strategically placed mirrors can help to brighten the space and create the illusion of more room. 10th, personal touches. Display your favorite books, artwork, and travel souvenirs to truly make the space your own. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best Bohemian living room decor ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. The textile-focused look. Layer rugs, throws, and tapestries for a rich, textured feel. 2. The plant-filled oasis. Prioritize greenery with hanging planters, shelves overflowing with vines, and large potted plants. 3. The vintage-inspired vibe. Source vintage furniture and decor, focusing on pieces with patina and character. 4. The globally inspired aesthetic. Incorporate elements from different cultures, like Moroccan rugs, Indian textiles, and African masks. 5. The minimalist Bohemian approach. Keep the color palette neutral and focus on natural textures and a few key statement pieces. 6. The eclectic mix and match. Embrace the art of mixing different styles, patterns, and eras. 7. The cozy and comfortable retreat. Prioritize soft textures, comfortable seating, and a warm and inviting atmosphere. 8. The art-centric Bohemian space. Showcase your favorite artwork and create a gallery wall. 9. The light and airy Bohemian style. Use a light color palette, sheer curtains, and plenty of natural light. 10. The bold and colorful Bohemian look. Don't be afraid to embrace vibrant colors and bold patterns. Creating a Bohemian living room is a journey of self-discovery and creative expression. Don't be afraid to experiment, have fun, and most importantly, create a space that you truly love. Remember, there are no hard and fast rules. It's all about creating a space that reflects your unique personality and style. We'd love to see your Bohemian living room transformations. Share your photos with us in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more home decor inspiration, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos.